One of the more bizarre and confusing questions frequently asked by globe believers is, why are there no photographs showing a flat Earth? What they mean by this is, why are there no photographs taken from outer space which show the entire flat Earth in one frame, similar to how NASA images show the entire globe Earth? To begin with, we do not pretend to know how far our Earth plane extends outwards, whether it terminates with an edge, some kind of barrier, or reaches out into infinity. So when globe believers ask this question, they are making an assumption that the flat Earth is just some object floating in space, similar to the way NASA presents the globe. There are many cartoon depictions of such silly flat Earths floating in space, put out by the farcical gatekeepers at the Flat Earth Society and others, but these images do not represent the claims of genuine globe skeptics. We simply posit that through objective and empirical means, the Earth is demonstrably a stationary level plane devoid of any curvature, which proves the prevailing globe Earth theory to be scientifically impossible. The question, why are there no photographs of the flat Earth, is truly bizarre and confusing because literally every photograph ever taken of the Earth shows a perfectly flat horizon extending outwards in all directions without the slightest bit of curvature or globularity. The only exceptions to this are trick photography in the form of fisheye lenses like the ones used by GoPro, or CGI composites like the ones created by NASA. All actual photographs taken with non-fisheye lenses show the Earth to be a level plane. Even at the highest altitudes reached by amateur rockets and balloons, where hundreds of miles can be seen in all directions, the horizon remains flat and rises to the eye of the observer, a physical impossibility on a globe of given proportions, which requires an apparent and easily visible curvature drop even at ground level. A much better and more pertinent question ball believers should be asking themselves is, why are there no actual photographs of the globe? NASA admits on their own website that their pictures of Earth from space are composite images and not photographs. NASA artist and lead blue marble designer Robert Simmons described on live radio the process by which NASA fakes these CGI images, going as far as to say they are photoshopped because they have to be. Even a cursory glance at these obviously doctored pictures should raise suspicion. Comparing them side by side, they all look completely different, with varying shapes and sizes of land masses, randomly colored earth and water, and often using the same copy and pasted sets of clouds. Computer enhancements done on images of the globe taken during the fake moon landings even reveal clear rectangular artifacts around the Earth, proving them to be composites. So for all the globe zealots out there wondering why there are no photographs of the flat Earth, I recommend reflecting on the fact that actually every photograph ever taken does show a perfectly flat Earth, and for them to direct that same skepticism and curiosity towards finding out why in reality there are no genuine photographs of the globe.